Today we're stepping into the heart of the ancient world, exploring the legendary Roman Forum and Palatine Hill. This is where emperors ruled, senators debated, and the Roman Forum shaped the future of civilization. Hi, I'm Debbie, a Cajun girl who loves to travel the world. I'm so happy that you've joined us. Rome is a city where history is not locked away in museums. It rises from the street beneath your feet. As we enter the Roman Forum, which is located right next to the Colosseum, it's hard to imagine that this quiet collection of ruins was once the center of one of the most powerful empires in history. More than 2,000 years ago, this was the downtown of ancient Rome, filled with temples, markets, and political speeches. The broken columns and crumbling arches are silent now, but this place once echoed with the voices of merchants, soldiers, senators, and the citizens from across the empire. It's incredible to think that Julius Caesar once walked these roads. After his assassination in 44 BC, Caesar was cremated here, and many visitors still leave flowers at the site believed to be his memorial. This is the Arch of Titus, built to celebrate Rome's victory in Jerusalem nearly 2,000 years ago. Ancient Roman triumphant soldiers would pass beneath this arch as crowds lined the streets cheering the victorious soldiers returning home. Now we're climbing Palatine Hill, one of the 7 famous hills of Rome and one of the oldest parts of the city. According to legend, this is where Romulus founded Rome in 756 BC after defeating his twin brother, Remus. As you can see, the views from Palatine Hill are breathtaking. Roman emperors, including Nero, built enormous palaces here. In fact, the word palace comes from the word Palatine. One of the most amazing things about visiting Rome is realizing how much of the ancient world still survives. These ruins are not replicas or movie sets. This is real. Even among the ruins, there's a peacefulness here. Pine trees sway in the breeze, birds sing above ancient stone walls, and for a moment, modern Rome feels very far away. It is impossible not to feel a connection with the countless generations who stood here before us. Rome reminds us that even the greatest empires rise, flourish, and fade, but their stories can still inspire the world thousands of years later. If you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to our channel. Join us on our next adventure. See you on the road!